Welcome to Brynnov's Gallery. NCERT Syllabus. Class 2 Maths. Chapter 13. The Longest Step. 3 friends, a rabbit, an elephant and a deer were playing together in a park. Let us see who crosses the stone bridge first. Yes, it will be fun. Both of you run fast and I move slowly. I know that one of you would cross the bridge first. I don't want to play the game. Don't worry. Let's make a rule. We will not run. We will walk. They started the game. Surprisingly, at the end, the elephant won. Can you tell why the elephant won? The elephant took the biggest step, so the elephant won. Who takes the biggest step? The elephant takes the biggest step. Act out the story. Activity. I sit here. I will find out how far my friend is sitting. Make a group of 3 to 4 friends. Find out by drawing lines whose step is the longest. Find the distance between the door and any window of your class, the blackboard and where you are sitting. Hand or fingers? Rajat wants to find out the length of a few things using his handspan. These are shown in the picture. Can he use a handspan to find the length of all these? No, he cannot use handspan to find the length of all these. Which things around you are less than your handspan? Name them. Sharpener, matchbox, eraser. What would you use to find the length of those things? We would use our fingers to find the length of those things. Activity. Make a mud house. See whose mud house is higher. You can use your fingers to find how high your mud house is. Who made the highest mud house? Whose mud house is the smallest? Make a guess. See these 2 coconut trees. If the bigger tree is 6 meters high, about how high is the smaller tree? Answer. The smaller tree is about 3 meters high. Check your guess. Guess the length or height of the things shown below. Find the length to check your answer. Cat's food, rat or milk? Use your fingers to find out the distance between the rat and the milk. Dash fingers. Answer 1 finger. How far is the cat from the rat? Dash fingers. Answer 5 fingers. How far is the cat from the milk? Dash fingers. Answer 4 fingers. What will the cat reach first? The rat or the milk? Answer the milk. Can the rat save itself? How? Answer yes, the rat can save itself by running away from the cat. Tell a story using this picture. How long is the rat's tail? Dash fingers. Answer. 4 fingers. Who has longer whiskers? The rat or the cat? Answer. The cat has longer whiskers. Measure and draw. Draw a leaf 2 fingers away from the stone. Draw a banana 5 matchsticks away from the monkey. Draw a kite 7 fingers away from the stone. Draw a cloud 3 matchsticks away from the kite. Draw a bird 4 fingers away from the banana. Draw yourself anywhere on the page. Find how far you are from the monkey's nose. Is that so? Sanju and her friends were trying to find out the length of their different body parts. Here is what they found out. My forehead is about 4 fingers wide. My face is about 1 hand span long. My arm is not as long as my leg. Do you agree with what they said? Yes, I do agree with what they said. Check how many of your friends have a face 1 hand span long dash. Answer. All of them have the arm as long as the leg dash. Answer. No one has the arm as long as the leg. A forehead 4 fingers wide dash. Answer. All of them have a forehead 4 fingers wide. You can try and measure other body parts with your fingers and write their length. Your nose is dash fingers long. Answer. 3 fingers long. Your ear is dash fingers long. Answer. 3 fingers long. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Brinav's Gallery. Thank you.